Lithuania, a Baltic country in northern Europe, is known for its stunning natural landscapes, including forests, lakes, and sandy beaches. Its rich history is reflected in its well-preserved medieval architecture, such as Vilnius Old Town. The country also boasts a vibrant cultural scene, with traditional festivals and a strong emphasis on art and music. The Lithuania Visit Visa allows travelers to enter Lithuania and other Schengen area countries for tourism, business, or family visits. It permits stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. Applicants must submit required documents, including a visa application form, passport, travel itinerary, and proof of accommodation and financial means. To apply for a Lithuania visa, follow these steps. Schedule an appointment at the Lithuanian embassy, visit the embassy or consulate website to book an appointment, complete the application form. Access the form online or get it from the embassy and ensure all information is accurate. Gather the necessary documents. Collect documents like your passport, ID, and health insurance. Submit your application. Apply at the embassy or consulate. Await a response. It usually takes about 2 weeks to receive a decision. Prepare the following documents for your Lithuania visit or tourist visa application. Lithuania visa application form, available on the embassy's website, a photo meeting Schengen visa requirements. Valid passport, valid for at least 3 months after leaving Lithuania. Financial stability proof, such as bank statements, proof of current employment, like a work contract. Additional requirements include work permit or employer's letter, business registration certificate. For self-employed individuals, university letter showing attendance and grades for students and retirement certificate for retirees. Schengen travel insurance covering €30,000 for medical emergencies, proof of flight itinerary. Lithuania visa cover letter, invitation letter if applicable, payment of the visa fee, proof of accommodation in Lithuania. Submit both originals and copies, but be prepared to provide additional documents if requested by the embassy or consulate. The processing time for a Lithuania Schengen visa is typically 14 days. Lithuania is known for its efficient visa processing, even during high-demand periods like summer. With fewer applicants, you might receive a visa decision in as little as 7 days. However, in some cases requiring additional documentation, processing may extend up to 45 days.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers, Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.